Look closely at that beak. It's carrying fibers, not food. In the Andean cloud forest, this is the first visible sign of new life and a crucial moment of natural engineering. This is the beautiful blue-naped Chlorophonia. We admire them from their colors, but today we recognize them as a tireless architects. They are building a globular, domed nest, a masterpiece of camouflage. Creating this safe haven takes hundreds of strips. It's a tireless labor where patience equals survival. While we seek our moment of stillness, our bio-break, they are busy constructing the future. Witness the architects of the Andes. Join the flock. This is Faunaris.